Dear animal lovers, welcome back to the Animal Behaviour channel. In the wild, animals have a constant challenge finding enough food. This is especially true when the weather turns cold or food becomes scarce. To survive these tough times, many animals have developed an amazing strategy: food hoarding. This means they collect food and store it for later use. Food hoarding is more than just hiding a snack. It's a vital survival tactic. It allows animals to thrive even when food is hard to find. From tiny insects to large predators, the animal kingdom is full of incredible examples of food hoarding behaviour. In this exploration, we will uncover the fascinating world of animal food hoarding. We'll delve into the different ways animals store their food, the types of food they hoard, and the ingenious methods they use to keep their stashes safe from rivals. Some animals are masters of disguise when it comes to hiding their food. These are the scatter hoarders, and they are experts at stashing small amounts of food in many different locations. One of the most familiar examples is the squirrel. Squirrels are constantly burying nuts and seeds throughout their territory. They use their keen sense of smell to relocate their hidden treasures, even months later. Birds like jays are also scatter hoarders. They hide thousands of acorns and seeds in the ground each autumn, creating a vital food source for the winter months. Scatter hoarding may seem random, but it's a clever strategy. By spreading their food out, animals reduce the risk of losing their entire stash to a single thief. It also ensures that even if they forget the location of some caches, they will still have plenty of other food to rely on. Unlike scatter hoarders, larder hoarders prefer to keep all their eggs in one basket, or rather, their food in one place. They gather a large quantity of food and store it in a central location, often underground or in a well-hidden den. This method is particularly common in rodents like hamsters. Hamsters are famous for their cheek pouches, which they use to transport food back to their burrows. These industrious creatures can stuff an astonishing amount of food into their cheeks, creating a larder that would rival any supermarket shelf. This hoard provides them with a vital food source throughout the winter when they are less active and food is scarce. Larder hoarding is an efficient way to store a large amount of food in one go. However, it also comes with risks. If a predator discovers the larder, the hoarder loses its entire food supply in one fell swoop. Some birds, like woodpeckers, take food hoarding to a whole new level. These feathered engineers are known as granary hoarders because they create specialised structures to store their food. They choose dead trees or cacti and drill hundreds, sometimes thousands, of small holes in them. Each hole serves as a miniature granary, storing a single acorn or seed. These granaries can be incredibly elaborate, with different chambers and compartments for different types of food. The acorn woodpecker of North America is a prime example. These social birds work together to create massive granaries that can hold up to 50,000 acorns. Granary hoarding requires a significant investment of time and energy. However, the benefits are clear. These structures provide a secure, long-lasting food supply that can sustain the birds throughout the year. When you think of food hoarders, beavers may not be the first animals that come to mind. However, these industrious rodents are masters of winter food storage. As the days grow shorter and the water colder, beavers create a unique underwater pantry to see them through the lean months. Beavers fell trees and use the branches to build dams, creating ponds that serve as their homes and protection from predators. But their ingenuity doesn't stop there. They also use these branches to create a food cache called a food pile. This pile is anchored to the bottom of the pond, ensuring that it stays submerged and accessible throughout the winter, even when the pond freezes over. The beaver's food pile is a testament to their planning and resourcefulness. It allows them to access a steady supply of woody plants throughout the winter, ensuring their survival in even the harshest conditions. A king's bounty, the leopard's hidden feast. Food hoarding isn't limited to small animals. Even apex predators like leopards engage in this behaviour to secure their next meal. Leopards are solitary hunters, and their kills don't always come easy. To make the most of their hard-earned meals, they often stash their prey in trees, away from scavengers like lions and hyenas. These stealthy cats are incredibly strong and can haul prey much larger than themselves high into the branches. They carefully select trees with sturdy branches that can support the weight of their kill, ensuring that their hidden feast remains safe until they're ready for their next meal. The leopard's food hoarding behaviour highlights the importance of resourcefulness in the animal kingdom. By keeping their kills safe from competitors, leopards can maximise their food supply and ensure their survival in a challenging environment. Cheeks full of treasure. The chipmunk's personal pantry. Chipmunks are another prime example of food hoarding in action. These small but mighty creatures are famous for their adorable cheek pouches, which they use to transport food back to their burrows. These pouches can expand to 3 times the size of their heads, allowing them to carry a surprising amount of food. During the fall, chipmunks are busy collecting nuts, seeds and other treats to store in their underground burrows. They create separate chambers for different types of food, organising their hoard with impressive efficiency. This personal pantry provides them with a vital food source throughout the winter, allowing them to survive even the harshest conditions. The chipmunk's meticulous food hoarding behaviour is a testament to their adaptability and resourcefulness. By carefully storing their food, they ensure their survival and thrive in a variety of habitats. Red fox, the cunning hunter with a surplus. The red fox is another cunning hunter that relies on food hoarding to survive. Like leopards, foxes sometimes catch more prey than they can eat in one sitting. Rather than let this bounty go to waste, they carefully bury their surplus food, creating hidden caches for later consumption. Foxes are known for their intelligence and adaptability, and their food hoarding behaviour is no exception. They often bury their food in shallow pits, covering it with leaves, dirt, or even snow. They have an exceptional memory for locations and can remember the whereabouts of their hidden treasures, even months later. The red fox's food hoarding behaviour highlights the importance of planning and resource management in the animal kingdom. By saving their surplus food, they can weather periods of scarcity and ensure their survival in a constantly changing environment. Food for thought. Hoarding for survival. From the smallest insects to the largest predators, food hoarding is a widespread behaviour in the animal kingdom. It's a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of these creatures, showcasing their remarkable ability to survive and thrive in a variety of environments. Whether they're scatter hoarding nuts and seeds, creating elaborate granaries, or stashing their prey in trees, these animals demonstrate the importance of planning ahead and making the most of available resources. Food hoarding is more than just a fascinating behaviour, it's a crucial survival strategy. It allows animals to cope with seasonal changes, food scarcity, and competition from other animals. As we've seen, the animal kingdom is full of incredible examples of food hoarding, each one highlighting the diverse and ingenious ways in which animals adapt to their surroundings.